Do you feel shy when you speak English? Do you understand English but you cannot speak fluently? Don't worry, I was the same. I knew words, I knew grammar, but when I tried to speak, nothing comes out. I stopped, I felt nervous. Then I started reading some special books. These books helped me improve my spoken English step by step. Watch this video till the end because the last book really changed my English. Book number one is Word Power Made Easy. Learn new words. In this book, you will learn new words and it will help you to improve your English vocabulary. It does not tell you to memorize many words. It teaches you word root. If you learn one root, you can understand many words. For example, if you understand one root word, you can learn 5 or 10 new words. How did it help me? I stopped using very simple words again and again in my speaking. I started using better words in English speaking. So study 15 minutes daily this book and revise every week. Book number two is English Grammar in Use. This book will improve your English grammar. This book is very easy to understand and each page has simple explanation and practice exercises every day. I did not try to learn big grammar rules. I tried to learn and I practiced small exercises every day. Slowly my English became strong. As we know that when your English grammar becomes strong, you can speak with more confidence. So this book will help you to improve your English grammar so you can speak with more confidence. Book number three is The Power of Your Subconscious. This book helps you to build confidence. Actually, speaking English is not only about grammar, it is also about confidence. Before, I thought my English is not good and people will laugh at me when I speak wrong English. Actually, this book helped me change my thinking. When you believe you can speak English, you improve faster. Positive thinking is very important, and this book will help you to build confidence in your English speaking. Book number four is How to Win Friends and Influence People. It helps you to speak better in conversation. This book teaches about communication skills. It teaches how to talk politely, how to listen carefully, how to make people comfortable. Actually, good English is not fast English. Good English is clear and kind. So, this book improve your English communication skills and this book is really helpful for me because this book improved my English communication skills. Book number 5 is The Alchemist. This book is very helpful to start thinking in English. This is a simple story English book. When you read a simple story English book, your brain learn English structure naturally. I did not translate it in my language. I tried to speak and I tried to imagine the story in English. After some time, I started to think in English. This book is very helpful to start speaking in English and to start thinking in English. And honestly, this book helped me a lot to start and speak in English. Book number 6 is Atomic Habits. It helps to practice daily. This book teaches about small daily habits in your daily life. Do not study English for 3 hours a day and then stop for 1 week. Instead, 15-minute practice every day give big results and big changes. So, practice daily, read daily, listen daily, and speak daily. Because as we know that small daily habits on daily basis with consistency give big results and big achievements. So you must read this book to improve your daily habits. Book number 7 is Speak English Like an American. It helps to learn daily expressions. This book teaches about common daily expressions in English. Native speakers uses these expressions and phrases in their daily life. For example, piece of cake, break the ice, no problem, let's get started. When you learn these expressions and you use it in your daily conversation, your English become fluent and sound natural. So, must read this book to learn daily expressions and you should use it in your daily conversation. So your English will become more fluent and confident and you speak more naturally like a native speakers. My English journey was slow, but I did not stop. Books helped me to learn words. Grammar helped me to make correct sentences. And confidence helped me to speak English. And daily habits made me fluent. If you want to improve your spoken English, read every day, listen every day, and practice every day. Do not be afraid of making mistakes because fluency comes from practice. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.